from someone in my DM, and they were asking how can I make beef stew, and I suggested I can make this video for you guys so that all you guys can benefit from it. And also if you want me to make anything, comment down below or head over to our Instagram page, which is Justforeats. And also you can just DM us, we always respond and suggest whatever you want us to make. So without further ado, we're just going straight into it. So in here I have 225 grams of stewing beef, and also I have oil and salt and pepper just for the seasoning. So this is the first part. Make sure it's dried out or you have pat it dry. So we're just going to take the brush and brush some oil on top. Brush that oil. Right, the brushing is done. We're just going to add salt. Don't hesitate to season, just like that. And we don't forget pepper. So this is just a basic seasoning technique that you can use and implement on your terms. You can alternate with what you want. I just prefer the basics, salt and pepper, which is absolutely delicious on any dish. So you want to flip this over, just like that. Oopsie there. And repeat the process again. Brush that beef, show it some love. And season. This, however, may not be enough for your tasting, but you can always add enough that is to your taste. Now let's get to the cooking.
So on medium-high heat, you want to place your cast iron pan on the stove and you want to toss that meat in. Unfortunately, I didn't capture this on camera, but you can as well follow this instruction. You need to sear the meat for 4 to 5 minutes and let it brown and turn that over. Once it's done, you want to remove the meat immediately and set it aside. And also the process that we're going to do is to deglaze the pan, just to put a liquid in the hot pan so that we get all the juices and all the delicious stuff inside. So you can use wine, or you can use stock, or you can use water. So in here I just used water and it just tastes delicious as it is. Once it's done, about 1 to 2 minutes, you just want to remove it from the stove and set it aside while we combine other ingredients in another saucepan.
First off, we're going to add oil, and then we're going to add onion, add garlic powder, smoked paprika, pepper, and then stir that until translucent. Add carrots, stir, add green beans, stir, add the potatoes, stir, now add the tomatoes, the broth that you get from the pan.
At this point, you want to add your meat to the saucepan and let it simmer for about 1 to 1.5 hours on medium heat. And also don't forget to add 4 cups of beef stock and make sure that it has low sodium, otherwise your food will be very salty and you don't want that in your food.
So this is how it turned out to be, and as you can see, it's thick and also it's so rich. So I'm going to plate it. I forgot to mention that I also added 1 bay leaf, so you want to add 1 bay leaf before the boiling process, and don't forget to remove it once you're done. So this is the bay leaf. I'm just going to remove it. And there we go. So let me just go straight into the soup. Guys, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, also share the video, and also don't forget to comment down below. You can request any video that you want me to make, and also what recipe you want me to make. Do share, because sharing is caring. Yep. And I hope you like this too. Don't forget to subscribe. So bye.